Hi everybody. I'm actually doing a review about pop-on veneers. I really truly am blessed that I actually invested in myself, because ever since I was like 15, 16, I always had problems with my gaps and I always wanted braces, but at the time my mother and my father couldn't afford it. So I just went on and on. Sometimes I'll hold, cover up my mouth because, like I said, my gaps, and I just wasn't overall happy with my overall smile. And it didn't bring out the personality that I have because I'm a very people person. So when I was online and I looked up pop on veneers, I was like, at first I was blown because I was like, wow, it tremendously transformed a person's spirit and their face, and it was affordable. And without a doubt, years later in my 30s, I still was like not losing hope. So I was like, okay, let me just try this out. So the molds came, and it was very easy, very easy. And I sent it off, very fast service as well. And I received my veneers. And what I'm going to show you guys, because it might touch someone out there as well that was having the same issues that I was having, whether it was financial stability or whatever stopping you from getting the smile that you want, because I believe that everyone should be able to get the smile that they want at an affordable price. I just want to show you my pop-on veneers. Comes in this real nice case. Very easy to put on. Very, very easy to put on. And you're going to see a tremendous difference. These are my tops. And these are my bottoms. And you hear the top. But I love them. And I want to thank pop-on veneers tremendously. I still gotta learn how to talk in them, but I am so overall happy with my results. 100%. Thank you.